What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to fly in Valheim. So as you can see, I'm flying around my world here. I can press shift and fly really fast and cover a lot of distance, or I can take my, finger off shift and do just control to dip down, space to go up, just hover around and just check out the area real closely like this. So, and there, just to know, collision is still on, so you still run into things. You're not like no clipping. But you don't take fall damage with this on, which is nice. So how to enable this, you need dev commands configured. So what does that mean? You need to have the console launch option on. So how do you do that? I'll show you real quick. You just want to pop Steam open, right click on Valheim, so under your library right here, click on properties, and then make sure dash console is in your launch options, and then you just have to restart the game and you'll be able to do this. So I have this already launch optioned up, I guess, so I can actually do these dev commands and actually fly. So how to open up the console, you press F5 on the keyboard. That opens up the dev commands console, and you're going to want to type in this command right here, so dev commands. So this now basically is like granting you cheats in Valheim, so you can fly, give yourself items, do a lot of things. And it's kind of like SV cheats in CS, where you can also no clip and turn on draw player models and see them through walls and stuff. I'm sure there's a lot of things you can do with these dev commands, and that's why it says they're not recommended and done at your own risk. So if you type in fly, wait, it's not valid in the current context. Oh, because I had it set to false. So you can see up here at the top it was set to false. Now I just did it again. Now it's set to true, dev commands : true. So I basically disabled my cheats. Now I enabled them again, and now I can type in fly, and I turned off my fly. I just have a cape that lets me hover. That's just an item I'll make a video on. But if I open up the console again and I type fly again, now I'm able to fly. So that's basically what you guys would have to do. You just have to type in fly once after you turn on dev commands, and then you can fly around. So if you want to turn it off, again, you open up the console and you type fly again, and it turns it off. And to turn it on, you just type fly, and then you can fly again. So that's how you cover a ton of distance. Check out your world. If you really get sick of something, you die far away, you get tilted, you want to fly back there and grab your items, that's how you do it, guys. And hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, drop a like, drop any questions you got in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.